Quizizz, the app and website for gamified learning. Stay tuned if you want to learn more about how to access and how to play Quizizz. Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today, I'm just going to help you to get introduced to a wonderful learning resource. This is called Quizizz, and it's in the form of an app and also a website. So let me show you how to get the app first. So you go to Google Play Store and you type right here in the search bar, Quizizz, Quizizz, and this is what will come up, and you can simply click on the green button and install it. Now the app is quite fun, pretty easy to use, but it is not my preference for different reasons. Now I am aware of the reality that many of our students are sharing mobile devices with their parents or their brothers and sisters or even relatives. So most of them have mobile devices. However, please remember that you have options. And so Quizizz is also on our website. So let's look at what the app will look like on your phone. You have some images here from the Google Play Store that will show you what it will look like on your phone. So I'm not going to install that just to show it to you. So let me go to my favorite, which is the website. Now, when you use the website, you don't have to save anything on the phone. Of course, little cookies and so will be saved, but you don't have to log in. You don't have to sign up if you simply want to practice and use it. I will show you the other situation where it would be best for you to sign up and log in. So say, for example, you are doing story time and the story time is about, let's say, Goldilocks are the three bears. If you're a teacher and you don't want to write questions from scratch, there's a wide variety of questions at different levels for you where you can choose, duplicate, edit, or you can just use it as is. As is. Now here you can filter. When you look over on the right hand side, you see that little funnel icon. Click on it, you'll see the filters. You can filter the different quizzes by grade level, subject, language, number of questions. Now I tend to filter it by elementary, and I would just leave the other filters there, and then I will look now at the corner here where it has the number of questions, how many times the quiz has been played. So this first one has been played 270 times. This one has 20 questions and it has been played 118 times. But you will see sometimes that a quiz is so popular that thousands of people have played it before. So you can explore that there. When you click on it, you will see if you want to share, that's at the top there, the little share icon. You can look at the different questions. You can start and play, or you can challenge your friends, or you can practice using the flashcards. Now, when you click on challenge friends, this is where it is good for you to have a little nickname and for you to sign up for Quizizz. Because if you don't sign up, then you won't have a set name in the program and you won't be able to challenge your friends and then have your friends' points and your points on the same leaderboard or scoreboard for you to see. All right, so this is where it is necessary. Now let us look at what will happen if you just decide to play any game. Say you want to do this one, prefix and suffix, and you want to practice, and then you're going to click on start. This is what Quizizz looks like. There's a little countdown, then you have the question and your options. So let's see. Carl blank with Paul. Let's see. Disagrees. It tells you that it's correct. And then you see that little, yes, you see me going up there and the amount of points. Let's just see what happens next. I'm on a streak of 2 and I'm ranked at the first. Now let me intentionally choose something that is incorrect. So you have the color cue of red and the sound effects and it tells you that is incorrect. And you would continue and continue. Now, I'm not logged in, but you can still click on save and exit. Remember what I said before about the little cookies being left behind, so that when you go back on the website, you can always resume that game that you were playing before. Now, if you're a teacher, you can always log in, generate a code, and send that code to your students, so that all your students would enter the code right here where you see my cursor going around and around. Your students would enter their code there, and so you would always be able to see exactly where they are in the quiz that you sent to them. All right, so I really like Quizizz. I've been using it for quite some time now with the students that I tutor and assist, also with the students that I am directly responsible for. I hope that this was a good introduction for you. If you have any comments, any questions, please post them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.